I'm Chris Kubal. Here's a look at your Local 5 weather impact forecast. We have a weather impact alert day continuing through midnight. Snow is flying across central Iowa, leading to travel impacts all across the state. We are going to be looking for that snow to begin to wrap up by about 9 o'clock. A couple of lingering flurries through midnight, but it will take a little bit of time for those roads to recover after this burst of snow. Some 1 to 4 inches expected from the northwestern corner of the state down to the southeastern corner. If we reach that 4-inch mark, it's likely down towards Ottumwa, towards Burlington. Looking at a couple of flurries, still trying to traipse through early Friday morning, but more or less Friday is an uneventful type day. Though cooler, those temperatures will be confined to the 20s. Here comes our next system. There's no wait here into Saturday early in the morning. Look at these temperatures too. This is going to be a drier consistency of snow heading in, and it will pile up and lead to travel impacts. 19 degrees is our call for the overnight low tonight, then 26 for your Friday. Getting that little bit of a break in here before that snow returns in the early morning hours of Saturday. Another weather impact alert for this. That drier consistency is going to mean that snow will add up just a little bit more quickly. Travel troubles expected as we go through the entire day. And that cold air is going to be rushing in as well. Bitter temperatures ahead, especially for Sunday. So as we do take a look at future cast here, we do have that band of snow pushing through at daybreak. Should be fairly solid across most of central Iowa. This line is going to be heaviest oriented from northwest to south and east and pushing that same direction. This one is going to be showing some signs of wrapping up by mid-afternoon, and then drier conditions prevailing. The sky clearing out for Saturday night. That will actually work against us greatly in the temperature department. We're really going to see those numbers bottom out. First, the snow numbers. There's going to be a swath of 2 to 5, maybe 6 inches of snow cutting through central Iowa. Slight edge to central and southern Iowa to get the heaviest amounts here, kind of building its strength as it does push through down into the southeastern portion of the state. Thankfully, there's not much wind with this feature because it would move around very swiftly. In fact, that's a concern I have later in this forecast. Stay tuned. We do have those temperatures going well below zero once again. Saturday night running some 5 to 15 degrees below zero across the state. Coldest over North Iowa, and that wind chill running into the range of about 15 to 35 degrees below zero once again, coldest in northern Iowa. Now, Sunday night going into Monday morning, we have a strong wind kicking up. That snow is still going to be loose. I expect some big-time travel troubles for the Monday morning commute with widespread blowing and drifting snow out into the open. And oftentimes in this kind of a setup, and I've seen it numerous times, it can kind of sneak up and surprise you. Wind gusts 25 to 35 miles per hour can lead to extremely difficult travel outside of city limits, given the consistency of the snow on the ground. Now, this isn't going to be a blizzard or anything. I don't think visibility's dropped to those extreme depths. But this is going to definitely be enough to make that snow build up in drifts and scurry across a highway Sunday night going into Monday morning. So I expect things to be a bit on the treacherous side as we start off the new work week. So we've introduced that next weather impact alert day there. And thereafter, finally, a break from winter. We'll actually talk about rain, slight little bit of a mix late on Wednesday. But those temperatures very mild there. Slight little dip through the end of the week, and next weekend we'll watch for a rain-snow mix on Friday. But 3 days consecutively, snow, cold, and then that snow blows around Saturday, Sunday, and Monday.